Monsoon is here and it's incomplete without a plate of hot fried snacks. I've got the perfect easy solution for you, which is a unique recipe called Curry Leaves Bhajiya. And don't forget to take a screenshot of these ingredients to make it home easy peasy. So we're going to start by heating the oil before we go on to make the batter. To make the batter, we start with besan, chickpea flour, and we require an equal portion of rice flour. I like to use rice flour because it helps make it crispy and crunchy. Stir it together. And then I use a pinch of red chili powder, some turmeric, just a slight pinch, not too much, and salt. Now to bring it all together, I need some water. So you want to make a thin batter because the curry leaves are quite tender and delicate. So you just remove all the lumps to make it nice and smooth. And then we're ready to dip in the curry leaves. So we're going to take the curry leaves with the whole stem, dip it into the batter, and instantly dip it into the hot oil. So now we're ready to plate. I'm going to get a nice looking pan. And just the final touch is Chaat Masala. So there we have a simple, easy, unique recipe that's basic recipe and even easier to eat. Subscribe to India Food Network for more such monsoon recipes.